people, what is up? I'm SAYANTIKA and again I'm back with another video from Brown Flares. Today's video is going to be a real fun. Yes, I'm gonna create a goth makeup look. Yes, I'm gonna create this makeup look. So let's see how I make it possible. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video with the intro. Starting with my eyes, I will use this kind of transparent tapes so that I get a wing kind of a thing on my eyelid. Now I will conceal my eyelid. All the products I'm using will be linked down in my description. If you want to know what kind of product I'm using in this entire tutorial, don't forget to check the description, okay? Honestly, I have never tried this kind of goth look in my past. This is my first time I'm doing something like this. वो भी camera के सामने and with you people. I don't know how it will turn out, but I will try my best to bring the best out of my makeup skills and all. I'm gonna work with a bit of red. After packing the red on my crease, I would love to pack the black, which is the main color I'm focusing today on, and for that I will use the Pro Earthe PE19 brush, which will pack as much color I want on my crease and on my eyelid as well. So taking some black eyeshadow, I will just pack it on my crease like this. I just love this color, you know, and I love this particular brush also. Now for doing my eyelid, I will go for a gel liner which will pack the intense black on my eyelid, and which is very important in this entire look. Now a goth person is someone who always prefers, you know, dark and black colors over anything that is more bright. Now to set this liner, I will do the same as I did on my face. I will pack the same black color on my eyelid and I will try to blend it as much as possible. Now take a buffing brush like this, hope you guys can see, and pinch on some brown and just blend it, okay? According to Google, a goth person is someone who tries to find fineness in anything which is dark and which others find to be, you know, very sad and very much related with negativity or something like that. So for a goth look, you need to give importance to dark and bold black colors. So here is the, you know, the eyes. I don't know how it will turn out. I have no clue. Now if you have some fallout of black eyeshadows on your face, you can just easily remove it with the help of a cotton pad and any kind of micellar water, any kind of makeup remover, I mean to say. I will rip off this tape, you know, it's easy to rip off. I don't know why I'm attracted towards gothic makeup or goth kind of things so much. I like dark clouds and, you know, rainy evenings or something like that, but at the same time I like rainbows also, so I can't call myself a goth person or something like that. I love how goth people carry their bold black look. Like, for me it is something very much mesmerizing. Now for doing my base, I just want to tell you that you should do some more, you know, high level contouring, because they love contour, they love to show their cheekbones, they love to show their jawline. So do way more high contouring as your regular makeup than your regular makeup. Now to complete this look, I need some concealers and I've put them, but I need the concealer to set, you know, I need to give some time to my concealer. Meanwhile, I'll quickly do my lashes and my eyebrows. So as you can see, my lashes are on and I think it's kind of looking good. Packing the loose powder is very much important because I can't even start with my lower lash line if I don't pack the loose powder under my eyelid, under my eye. Oh, what's this portion is called, I don't know. Now when I'm doing my lower lash line, I have to keep in mind that there should be a symmetry with this wing and my lower lash. So very consciously I have to pack some red color because I used red on my lid, so I have to use red on my lower lash line also. Now with a very small brush like this, you can see it's very small, take some black and just repeat and repeat whatever I just told. I will end my entire eye look with a kohl on my waterline. As I told you earlier, a gothic person always prefers harsh contouring, so I will go really deep with my contour. I would obviously choose a blush. And here I am using Makeup Revolution's Reloaded palette. The name of this palette is Red Alert. And here I will take this shade, this shade. Yeah, this shade. So I think this will go on, look good on my entire makeup. Here I am kinda done, and now I just need to put lipstick. I ended up like this, and I think I should wear some Gharelu Goth jewelry I have, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I think I will leave it like that. I'm just coming back with my jewelries, okay? So here is the final look, and I have just put on this jewelries which are not so available in online because I don't know where from I got this in my jewelry cupboard. I just picked them and assembled them to make it a gothic kind of thing. I have put an owl on my ear, like gothic people are too much attracted towards Illuminati and that kind of stuff. So I tried my level best to bring that through my jewelry, accessories and everything. Look at my cute owl. I put on black lipstick because a gothic person is someone who would love to wear bold lipsticks, and black is the boldest color ever I have seen. Goth people are someone who love metal music, who love black, who love dark, and they like to live in darkness. They like to find calmness and everything that is fine in darkness only. So I don't know why I find gothic people so much attractive, and I just love the way they carry everything which is black, everything which is bold. Here is the look, and honestly this was a challenge for me. So tell me, how is it? Okay, don't forget to hit the like button if you like it, and don't forget to hit the dislike button if you don't like it. Like anything, any feedback of yours is very valuable for me. So I think I have to sign off now. It's quite a long, and I will meet you on my next video. Till